There's two things in the latest showing data that need to be talked about. The first thing is, if you look at this chart, our showings start from a lower low, and you can see that start lower for the last 3 to 4 years from, obviously a super high in 2021. The other interesting thing that I saw in this chart was that the dip in showings that usually happens at the middle to end of March happened in the end of April this year. So that feeling that we had that the spring market was a little bit delayed was actually right on with the showings, and people started looking. And I think I know why. Number one, right now, people are very much the at need to move people. They didn't like the weather, obviously, at the beginning of the year. And they were just waiting for that right time for them. Since we don't have a lot of people that just want to move, it's more of a need to move. The other thing is the interest rates really dipped at the beginning of April, and I think that brought a lot of people off of the sidelines. In fact, I know that did. And when we see that again, we can start to see in these charts where the interest rates can move the market because people get excited and they get to showing properties again, which is obviously a precursor to sales. So what does this all mean? This means right now, the bottom line is less showings, less buyers. We still have low inventory, but there's less showings and less buyers, which means your showings are more important than ever. The major factor I want everybody to always remember is your showings are not showings to find out what your house looks like. If properly marketed with video and photographs and correct information, your showings are there for confirmation. So again, that's why it's more important than ever on pricing, positioning, and preparation. Because when people come to your home, they're not coming to your home to see your home. They're coming there to confirm that your home is everything they think it is when they see it online. So that's what you need to remember. But the showings are lower. The inventory is still low. The market is healthy. But if you look at the numbers, you can see that the spring market did spring late this year. And now we're in summer.